Sunday morning. It is beautiful monsoon weather. Check out the clouds flying so low. So there was a major pile up on the airport road. I think there was some accident, so I took the route inside to Gidigi's school, and the weather is wow in Bengaluru. It's the typical winter weather. Check the clouds out, flying so low. So hope you're all doing great. Good to see you back on my channel, watching another day of my ride, exploring places around Bengaluru. Well, good morning and welcome you all back to my channel once again. You're watching me on my channel Mahaneet, and if you're new to my channel, would love to see you all subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos, and follow me on social media also, as there are more live updates on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page is also Djmahaneet. A bit of off-roading here. So today is going to be a day exploring new places I've not been to. Check out the clouds. It's so beautiful. Stay outdoors, enjoy nature. We're all part of nature. We come from nature. End of the day, we have to go back into this Mother Earth. It's just a matter of time, and we have all sorts of problems. Chill people, enjoy life, be in nature, travel, do what you love what you do, enjoy your life. Stop wasting time over negative things. Stay positive and happy. Familiar route. Was here a couple of weeks back, I think, when we went to Horsley, the same route. Similar weather and the same route. Life is beautiful. Road here in Andra, just after Mulbagal. Amazing corners. And the road climbs up the hill and comes down. Reminds me of rock school, the MotoGP. Super fun riding on these roads. If you have a better bike, it's a little much faster. The climb for 390 feet, little other forward. Relaxing the juice. Getting it about 100 bhp probably. And you can put your knees down. Absolutely fun cornering on these pisties. 390 is also a fun bike. Probably a little more juice would have been better. Oh boy, that was scary. Lot of traffic in the corner and I was like full on. And the weather is holding beautifully. No sign of rain. Lot of clouds. Low flying monsoon clouds. So you take a deviation from the main road. I think for about 10 kilometers you need to go inside to reach the fall, and then you have to trek for about a kilometer also, I think. I'm not sure, this is the first time coming here. Let's see once we reach.
there's absolutely no water here at the falls. So follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Explore new places, see new things, do what you love. So there's a big ride coming up in September. Stay tuned to my channel for more details of the same.
Well, hope you liked this short vlog to the falls. Hardly any falls out there, but still the ride was memorable and fun. Beautiful weather all the way to the falls, and the place, the location also was very good, except the water was missing. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Hope to see you around very soon on my next vlog. Until the next one, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye.